Alright, this video is a quick one for the people out there that are trying to repair the outlet on the Festool, the CT Mini, and the other versions as well. Basically, you can take off these 4 screws here. You're going to unscrew these 2 wires, 3 wires, really, the ground's in there as well, that go on the back of this unit here. And then what you want to do is reset the screws that are here. This is actually upside down, but I'm just showing you guys. You'll want to take this screw off of this plate so that the metal part will come off, and then you'll go ahead and the 2 screws that you'll see on yours, just reversed, you're going to slide those in, and then you're going to push the plug out, okay? And the back of that is going to come off. And then inside here, see the screws, you have to screw those in so it'll push through. But then what you're going to do is when they're screwed in, a little difficult with one hand here, but that's going to be your contact. Take a pair of pliers and tighten this back up. Alright, just pinch it right here so that those 2 metal contacts right inside make contact again. See it? It's really wide. That's why your outlet, when you put your plug in there, it's loose and slips out because those have worn away over time. So just rebend this down so that it touches tight again. Reassemble and reinsert, and then you can avoid having to buy the $40 part from Germany, even though this thing is made in Mexico. All right, just saved yourself $40.